Guys, cheers. Happy holidays. Cheers, Chris. Cheers, Jeff.
Thank you.
So we couldn't get together to do the knife giveaway. Time just didn't permit. So we're doing this, a Zoom meeting. So we didn't want to leave all the folks who were kind enough to leave comments, which were awesome, by the way. You guys are super funny. We were cracking up as we went through them. We got called massholes a whole bunch of times, which was really funny. Some guy, one of the subscribers said, "I think you should come to Iowa." It was just really good stuff. We love it. But we do have a winner. Jeff, Chris, who is the winner of the Dow Strong knife?
Skippy Jones.
Skippy Jones.
Skippy Jones. All right, congratulations, Skippy. So, Skippy, we're going to need you to contact us using Jeff, is it the Griddle guys or Griddle guys?
The Griddle guys at yahoo.com.
Yeah. So if you can reach out to us there and give us your mailing address, we're going to work with Dalstrong to, they're going to ship it directly from Dalstrong to you. It's not going to come to us first.
We're not sure what knife yet. It's probably going to be either, Nate, what's the one you have?
It's the Shire knife.
So either that one or the one Jeff and I have, which is the chopping knife. The
carry.
One more time, Jeff.
I believe it's the carry knife.
The carry.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome.
you can't,
So
go
anyways,
wrong. Can't go wrong. They're all great.
yeah, they are definitely high quality blades. They're expensive as hell, but really nice blades. So that's the contest. Congratulations.
We thank you guys all, obviously, you know, the support, the comments. Skippy, you've been there all along too, which is great. We appreciate you. I'm glad you won. We were actually happy. We all smiled when we figured out you were the one to be the winner. So it's good stuff.
Definitely.
I wish we had enough knives to give to all of our regular subscribers and our regular commenters. I mean, there's everything from folks with, like I said, great senses of humor to folks that give us great tips, give us, great tricks. Hey, I would have done it this way. I would have done it that way. It's awesome feedback. I mean, the comment section is like, it's fun. I mean, it's fun for us. We just appreciate you guys showing the support.
Always shocked at how many people comment and how much support we get. It's awesome. It really is. It's You get out of work, you have a tough day, and you actually go through some of the comments, and it actually cheers you up. Just some of the stuff that people write. It's pretty funny stuff.
I agree, Jim. I agree. But having said that, guys, a lot of things to come up with the Griddle guys. We got some exciting stuff. We got a big video we're doing this weekend.
Don't say anything.
Stay tuned. You gotta watch.
Well, we have to. So we got a big video this weekend, and then we got the cooks from the last video with the griddle accessories. We never gave you guys detail on that, right?
Yep.
So we got a lot of stuff planned. A lot of stuff. Yep. Hopefully we can get it all in before the holidays.
Probably not, but we're gonna try.
Yeah.
We'll make it happen, Captain.
You guys doing?
Take care.
Take care. Have a good one. Happy holidays.
See you in the next video.
Cheers.